Welcome back, guys. Gonna go get rocking on these trailing arm setup. We're finishing off. We got these pieces made here and here and here, the brackets for the lower control arm and the upper part of the control arm. So we're gonna get rocking here real soon on this. So stay tuned, grab a drink, chill out, some potato chips, sit on the couch, whatever you gotta do, get comfortable. It's this time. Welcome back, motherfuckers. Just joking. Alright, so today we are finishing up the trailing arms, hopefully, minus the brake calipers. So we'll do everything else minus the brake calipers because we're actually doing Willwood brake calipers for this bad boy. So we got all of these brackets made. Okay, here. I think he put the other one. There's some other ones, but those were actually those. Never mind that. Yeah, just those. That's it. That's all for the trailing arms.
Fired.
That's all for the trailing arms. I'm thinking about being with the kids all day.
Too busy yelling.
Yeah, my kids all day. Yep. It's harder than being at work.
I know that feeling.
Harder than being at work, being at home with the kids.
I know that feeling. You wanna...
Yeah. So we got these mounted in place here and here, and we're just running the piping to